Hi, today in front of me Huawei P60 Pro and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So first we should open the control panel and here you should find scan icon. If you have no this icon, like in my case, you should tap here to this edit icon, tap to edit swatches. Then you should find the scan icon on this down section and add it by hold and drag it to this up section. Then just tap to done to save the changes and just click to the scan icon. Click to agree while using the app or only one time. Okay, click to get started and now we should place our QR code inside of the screen. So wait a second. And after that we could see that our device automatically opens this link of this QR code. So this is the Wikipedia article. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave like, comments and subscribe our channel.